Hi, today with Chef Pachi, white corn cakes, bollo limpio. We are doing them with white dry corn. So we hydrate the corn for 24 hours and then wash it again, place it in a pressure cooker for 85 minutes, and you're done with nothing in it, no salt, nothing. Then we process it in batches so that the processor doesn't get hot or breaks down. Now we're gonna take all of those pieces that we processed, put them together with a little bit of butter and salt and some cheese that I had left over. We put them together, work that dough a little bit so that it's smooth and comes out without any holes when you cook it. That way, you're gonna have perfect bollos. Then you make rolls, and you make rolls
Here we're
as
doing
thick as
medium-sized
rolls. We eat them everywhere. It's a street food that we love to have anytime with Butifarras from my city, Barranquilla. Now we're gonna put them together, and what we do is we take some corn husks. These are fresh husks. You can use dry corn husks that they sell normally in Latin markets, but I got these from some corn that I had. You put a bottom piece of corn husk, then you crisscross one in the bottom, then you cover it, and then you tie it. That way the bottom of the rolls is also covered, and the water's not gonna go in through there. Believe me, it doesn't go in, and they come out amazing. Just tie them and put them on the side. You have both sides of the corn husks put together. You turn the top, fold it, and tie each one of the bollos. Just tie them however you want to tie them, but make sure to go through the bottom and through the top so that they cook well in that little package that we made with the husks. Because as soon as you're ready, the water's gonna be cooking these. Now that we have all our bollos or bollo limpio ready, we're gonna go to the hot boiling water, add some salt, and place our bollos here. We are going to cook them for about 45 minutes because these are thicker. If they're thinner, you go for 30 minutes. You can make them the size you want. Check them out. They are beautiful. Now we're gonna wait for them to cool down. I actually waited a lot until they're completely cool. And then you remove the husks. Look at them. They are beautiful. We usually eat them in Colombia with Butifarras, which is our sausage from Barranquilla. They sell it outside of football games and other events, either cold or hot, filled with fiber, and you're gonna enjoy some amazing Colombian bollos. Chef Pachi.